Hello friends, my name is Vijay Kumar. I am a career branding coach and Salesforce trainer. Friends, as you know, there are so many developers working different company, different project. But there are so many projects they are delivered. There are so many work they done in a day. But whenever they sit in front of the interview, they gets nervous. They not able to give answer confidently. Why? In fact, they know the answer, but whenever interview panel asking the question, they stuck. The mind always shut down, not able to speak fluently. Why? Because in the office they focus only supporting tasks. If you working only supporting tasks, small tasks, not implementing complex logic, not writing hands-on code, only depend on chat GTP tutorial, you know answer. But during the interview, you will stuck. The interview panel not only want to listening your answer, they want to judge from different type of parameter. They will judge you confidence level, they will judge you technical knowledge, they will judge you how you give answer clearly and confidently. So maybe you know answer, but if you don't have experience hands on, you don't have work hands on experience, you're not able to write a code, how to debug, how to verify the function, if data uploading multiple from data loader, they will get error. How does handle the governor limits? There are so many things you need to handle. If you always working on a small task, supporting task, not take new responsibility in a team and expecting my promotion will change, my salary will hike, I will select in new MNC company, it is very difficult to you. Friends, today time it is very difficult for that. They really only learn from tutorial, chat GTP and Google. There are so many developers want to grow in career, but they depend on chat GTP, they depend on YouTube, they depend on Google. They don't have practice hands-on experience, they don't keep practice that kind of scenario that is working in office in live project. They don't know how to create a multiple component and how to pass the data from one component to another one component, how to work asynchronous, how does work await and sync. LWC, if you want to LWC learn in today time in the market, LWC developer very demandable, because LWC it is a tool where you have to know about LWC, HTML, JavaScript. Also you need to know about Apex method, asynchronous, Apex batch, each and everything you should know. How does work trigger, how does work bulkify code, how does work platform event, how to pass platform event to the LWC component. So if you want to learn LWC, because it is a very demandable in market, so LWC it is a very good technical skills if you want to learn, and it is a very good exposure to your career growth. Because friends, if you only checking out so many tutorial, learning from only ChatGTP and Google, so friends, only tutorial, ChatGTP and YouTube, from that you will never get confident, because confident will not come from only tutorial. Confident not come from only ChatGTP. Confident also not come only from getting the certification. Always remember, confidence will come only whenever keep practice every day. Practice make you perfect. Practice as a guidance. how does work LWC, how to communicate, how to use API integration in LWC, how does work debugging. If you deploying the code from sandbox to production, sometime you get error. Sometime you inserting numbers of record through the data loader, that time you will get error. Interview panel not only asking the question, they will know about your confidence. They will judging about your clearly, calmly and confident level. How do you explain? Someone during the interview mind automatically shut down because interview judge, they have focus only small task, they have focus only description, they have focus only theoretical. So if you always focus only theoretical small task, supporting task, it is very difficult to you for grow your career. If you want to grow in career, if you want to promote hike, if you want to salary hike, if you want to crack interview in MNC company, you should learn practical. How does work life project scenario in office? So friends, if you really want to learn step by step hands-on experience in LWC component, how does work LWC, how to call API in LWC, how to debug in LWC, what does work LMS, how does work PubSub, how does work platform event in LWC. So I started live project scenario training in my platform Tech W3 Web. Friends, if you learn LWC, Lightning Web Component, so in my platform Tech W3 Web, I am starting a new training, that is a live training, not a recorded. I will teach you live demo project step by step from beginning to advanced level. How to communicate multiple component, how does work PubSub, how does work LMS, how does work platform event, how does work REST API integration in LWC, how to write code, how to call Apex, how does work wire, how does work imperative, where you use API, where you use track, where you use wire. There are so many scenarios I will cover in live demo project. So if you really want to learn LWC, Lightning Web Component, step by step from beginning to advanced level, in my platform Tech W3 Web, I am starting a technical scenario training, that is not a recorded. It will working from live project. I will teach you in live, not recording. So if you participate in my live project scenario, it will conducted 15 days. In one day, I will connect it 2 times with you. First time, I will teach you in live project, then I will give you assignment, and for the cross checking that I given the assignment, I will reconnect for checking that assignment you completed or not. If you any kind of stucking during the assignment completed, I will help you, I will guide you. So I will connect it 2 times. First time I will teach you, I will writing a hands-on code, how to create a function, how to pass a parameter, how to retrieve the data, how to insert, update, delete, any kind of function I will retain from you in front of you. Then I will give you assignment, I will ask some question from you. If you any kind of stucking during the learning, I will resolve the issue. So my motive is how to improve LWC component, how to learn LWC component, because LWC, it is a very demandable in market. Friends, if you really want to learn LWC step by step from beginning to advanced level, how does work live demo project scenario in office in LWC component, how does work REST API integration in LWC, how debugging, how to write Apex code, there are so many live demo project scenario I will cover in my training. So it is not recorded, I will provide you recorded video once I done, but it is a live project, it's a live demo training. I will cover so many things. So if you are interested to learn LWC component step by step, please check out the description. It is a minimum charge. You have to pay only minimum to minimum charge, because my motive not earning money. My motive is to learn something new, and I will supporting to you in technically. Because friends, I worked so many years in company, I lot of experience in IT sectors. I have good hands-on experience in LWC component, Apex class, trigger, REST API integration, Aura components. So I will confidently teach you how to write LWC component, how to work lab demo project. So it is not recorded. You will teach lab demo. I will connect 2 times in a day. First, I will teach you in the training time live project where I will write a code one by one line, not a copy and paste. I will write each and every code in front of you. So basically we will connect 2 times, and in the evening we will check your assignment. If any kind of stucking of your assignment, I will help you. So my motive is how to improve your technical skill in LWC component. So friends, if you really want to learn step by step LWC, please check out description. Only 1200, only 1200 you have to pay. The total training, it will be conducted 15 days. So in the 15 days, I will connect it twice day in a day, in the morning and in the evening. And my motive is learn step by step from beginning to advanced level in LWC component. So don't delay, don't wait. If you really want to start, learn something new in LWC step by step, if you really want to learn, if you are beginner, if you are intermediate level, this training for you. Don't miss this opportunity. It will never come again. So friends, thank you so much for giving me time. Hopefully you will check my description link. Thank you so much.